again.
Hey guys, so we spent the morning at the pool and the weather was beautiful. And we went on the slides, we went in the hot tub, it was really nice. We're all showered now and we are going to get some lunch at Moderno's. It's just a Spanish buffet. And then we're going to go and do a Big Bang Theory quiz at 2 o'clock and hopefully we do better than we did on the 70s quiz last night. Busy. I really need a drink of water or something.
Yeah, me too. Look how much beef is.
Oh, okay, so it's spread out over Cagney's as well.
Oh, that's it.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Go and have a look at the buffet.
Yeah. So this is the lunch buffet on Sea Days in Cagney's and it's Spanish themed today. Really busy, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't look great, does it? I think maybe just get some snacks from Ocean's. It's our local home now.
So we absolutely love Ocean's. It's so nice. It's literally just a 24-hour pub where you can come and have drinks, and you can also order food as well. Oh, here's our drinks. How delicious. But yeah, you can order snacks and like hot dogs, burgers, nachos. Chicken wings, all that sort of stuff. And if, it's open 24 hours. If you want a snack anytime, come here.
It's good,
delicious.
because we're in a group as well. We sometimes just get like nachos for the table and things like that. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll just get nachos for the table or just a round of couple of chicken wings and just chill out and watch the show down in the atrium. It's awesome.
Yeah, and there's little booths as well, so it's a bit quiet, Steve.
Yeah, so there's little booths in the corner and a little seating area if you want the quiet area, like David said. And there's loads of cool games around here. There's bowling and there's pool and darts and a really cool bar as well. Proper like Ocean's, it's nice. Where are you going, Ben? I'm going to go for the classic Caesar salad with grilled chicken. And then I'm going to get this pub hot dog, where she has all beef hot dog, sauerkraut, crispy bacon and French fries.
Can I try some of your hot dog?
Yeah, looks really yummy.
I'm going to get the grilled Bruton on rye.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
So I think we should share.
My sister's just ordered apple pie because she's already eaten. How good does that look? Yum. Oh, our food's coming. Oh my gosh. How good this looks.
It's massive. I thought it was just going to be like a little. Ben, did you get a triple Caesar?
It's just because I'm
Look
eating.
Thank you very much. It is gigantic.
Look at those nachos.
It's a gigantic appetizer. Sauced up in nachos. Absolutely.
I missed my mouth and it just went everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Are you going to enjoy this too?
I am.
You're starving.
It's been minutes since I last ate. I actually didn't have any breakfast.
Got our buds on the go. Yummy. I'm going to enjoy this. I obviously didn't enjoy that. Is it good, David?
Really good.
So we've moved to the bar now where we have an amazing view, so we can do the Big Bang Theory quiz. We should be quite good at this one because we all watch the Big Bang Theory. So we're going to have our lunch with the show now, which is 11. Our main course just came. I got the hot dog.
Thank you.
David got the sandwich.
It looks good.
Sandwich looks really good.
Doesn't it look good?
I'd say
Corned beef, that's American corned beef.
Freaking gorgeous. That's such a beautiful day.
Should we do the rope course?
Oh,
It's dead.
Mini golf first.
If it's dead.
Do you want to do the rope course then? Should we do the rope course? Let's do it.
We have to lift Ollie up.
Yeah, there's no lift.
So Ben and Rebecca have decided they're going to do the ropes course.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm going to do it after these guys.
Okay, so we have a box right here where you can stand. And for you, madame, you would need a t-shirt with sleeves. Or a t-shirt. Do you have a t-shirt?
I have a jacket.
Okay, that's good enough.
Are you nervous?
We stood in the box waiting to go on.
So Bex had to put a t-shirt on.
Yes. So yeah, remember you're going to wear like trainers and you have to wear a sleeve. I know. Ring the bell on the deck.
Oh, and ring the bell on the deck. You only live once, don't you?
Exactly. And done.
After this.
And then you die. I might lose a shoe.
And there's no wait either. On a sea day, this is how quiet the ship is. There's literally no wait for anything. It's amazing.
Sorry? Like step in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, just take a look here.
Like in the loop.
Serious horses. if you need a harness to ride if you need a harness
But
to
I've
ride
got
a
like
horse,
hold on it, you know when you hold on like a horse or like a yeah.
Oh, your invisible horse around.
A black and gold thing.
You're going to gallop around?
Ask if you can wear it to the bar afterwards.
I can't wait to see her drunk if she thinks that's a horse when she's not drunk.
Okay, turn around one more time. All good.
Do this.
Are you good to go?
Do this.
Gallop!
Very exciting.
It's very exciting. How was it? You survived. How
That
was
was
it?
awesome. Oh my god, the zip line is literally terrifying. Like the rest of it's actually okay. Yeah, the plank was fine.
I saw you on the plank.
But it was the zip line that was really horrible because it was like, oh my god. Oh man, that was literally so much fun. The rope course is so much bigger than you think it's going to be as well. It's absolutely huge. It was really scary, especially the zip line part. And the part where you walk over the edge and you ring the bell to take a photo was absolutely terrifying. The whole thing was wobbling, but you get an amazing view of all like the sea and the ship as well, which is really cool. Proper recommend it. Oh, I see David. I see David. Look at David, he's got some martinis in his hands. Hi David.
Oh, I got all the way.
Have you just spilled some?
Literally, I got all the way from the bar.
David, you're dripping. Oh, look at that bad boy. It's espresso martini. And David's got a dirty martini, shaken, not stirred. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Ooh, look at this drink. It's a It's called Negroni.
Negroni, I think.
Negroni.
I smelled it and it was like, whoa.
It's really strong.
Yeah. Have you tried it yet?
No.
Go try it.
Let's try this drink. It's called a Negroni and it has a lot of booze in it.
Oh, my orange rice cake in his bag, in his tea bag.
I told you.
Okay, 2 seconds.
Oh,
No,
it's absolutely disgusting. Oh, I can't even drink it. It's absolutely vile.
what's in it?
It's vile.
Ahoy Cruises. So we've literally just went back to the room really quickly and we literally got ready in 5 minutes. I am so hot, it's unbelievable. We're running around like maniacs where we're at.
Yeah.
We are off to Fat Cats on deck, something or other. And we are going to a cocktail party to meet the captain, which is really cool. We've had a little note left in our door to say
VIP Captain's cocktail.
cocktail. We'll have a good cocktail. There's always time for a cocktail. So we're gonna go down there now.
Hi guys, so here we are at the VIP Captain's Ball. We've just met all of the crew, which was awesome. We've got some mini food and some nice drinks. And there's a bar playing. And we just had a good old chat with the cruise director, Andre, who is so nice. He's literally from a place around the corner from where I'm from. And he's just been telling us about what's coming up and how much he's looking forward to St. Petersburg and stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm so excited.
It's really nice, isn't he?
Yeah,
he was even telling us the place where we live now. He actually he was there for a while doing a pantomime for like a show. Small world, isn't it? He was saying how nice the ports are and stuff, and how he used to be on this skate, and he's just moved over to the Getaway. So
yeah, he was looking forward to getting out of the Caribbean and being more in Europe.
In Europe, yeah. I guess it when she do something quite a lot of
Oh,
times.
I must get autonomous, yeah.
Yeah. So far he's been such a good cruise director. There's been loads of quizzes and loads of stuff like that. It's been great.
Yeah, so we're just going to sit back and relax and enjoy the lovely atmosphere.
Hi guys. So we were out of the meet and greet, and it was nice. Yeah, we got to meet the captain and all the other officers and some other people, and the cruise next lady who was telling us about new itineraries that are coming out in Asia next year. So it was quite good, wasn't it? I think I've got a bit burned. Like, it didn't feel that hot today on deck, but it was not hot at all on deck. It was actually slightly chilly, but both of us have got really burned. So tomorrow, even if it's not warm, I'm gonna wear my I'm gonna lather up with sun lotion. So we're just here again in the sugarcane part, and tonight is a Motown quiz, which means that once again we're probably gonna lose. I'm gonna give the Motown quiz a go. What's the worst that could happen? We lose again after the shame of the Big Bang quiz as well. So, hi guys. So I'm here in the atrium, and Ben is currently lost. Hello. You know where you're going.
Guys.
He knows where this is going. So we totally
So
sucked.
we're going to go to the music quiz now, and I think and just enjoy that for a little bit.
We sucked at the Motown quiz.
We really did so.
We got 19 out of 40, and the team that I marked got 35 out of 40, and they
was
won.
so good, and they won like 15 as well. So
And to be fair though, they had like 30 people on their team, so
they were so much better than us. We're like
so
terrible
much
quizzes.
better. Like I literally just kept writing Marvin Gaye or the Supremes. They were
Where's the
two
other
answers.
American? So we're going down to the
Atrium.
music quiz,
And we're gonna go and sing that tune. I have got lost on this ship pretty much every time.
There's no
I need to get
signs
everywhere.
anywhere.
There's no signs anywhere?
But we
And
will
it's
become familiar with it.
It's confusing because that atrium goes over 3 decks, but this atrium only goes over 2. So I get really confused. And we're just walking down the stairs.
Deck 6.
Yeah. Let's be healthy.
Gotta walk down.
I just want to say as well, guys, like, this ship is beautiful, honestly.
It's pretty.
Isn't it dead pretty?
It's dead pretty.
it looks so much nicer in real life than it does on videos and photos that I've seen.
It does, yeah, that's true.
But our ship tour will do it justice. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I think we should go to O'Neill's instead.
O'Neill's? What, the real O'Neill's?
Oh, Ed Sheeran's. What's it called? Ed Sheeran's.